The Court of Appeal has granted bail to William Essien, founder of the defunct Capital Bank, as he challenges his conviction. Meanwhile, controversial evangelist Nana Agrada is in talks with the state over a possible plea bargain in separate case. ChannelOne News' Hansen Ajiman has a wrap of the day's events in court.
In a new legal development, the Court of Appeal has granted bail to William Essien, the former CEO of the collapsed Capital Bank, who was convicted in 2023 for embezzling over 90 million Ghana cedis. Essien, who initially avoided jail through a restitution agreement, was later imprisoned for failing to meet the payment terms. He has now been granted bail to the tune of 10 million Ghana cedis with two sureties pending the outcome of his appeal. Under his bail conditions, Essien must deposit his passport with the court registry and report monthly to the registrar. His release follows growing public calls for clemency on medical reasons. At the Criminal Division of the High Court, another high-profile case is gaining attention. Evangelist Patricia Essien, popularly known as Nana Agrada, is in discussions with the Office of the Attorney General over a plea deal. She is currently facing trial for the alleged unlawful publication of explicit images, while already serving a 15-year sentence for a separate fraud conviction. Justice Mary Ekuyanzu has adjourned the case to October 21, hoping the plea negotiations will conclude before that date. Co-accused Enoch Owusu-Kisi has opted out of the plea deal and filed an appeal challenging the court's directive to open his defense. Meanwhile, in the ongoing SkyTrain trial, October 13 has been set for the start of proceedings at Criminal Court 4. Two former officials of the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund, former board chair Professor Amir Kumfi and ex-CEO Solomon Asamoah, are facing charges of causing financial loss to the state over an alleged unauthorized $2 million investment. Lawyers for Asamoah had requested disclosures of key documents, including GIF board meetings, arguing that they are essential to the defense. However, Deputy Attorney General Dr. Justice Shremsai opposed the motion, stating the documents were not in the state's custody. The judge dismissed the application but allowed the defense to pursue other legal options. The trial will proceed with 2 sittings per week, with Yaudame Dakwa, a former GIF board member, expected as the first prosecution witness.